Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to share my no makeup look. This is a super easy makeup look in the summer when I go to the beach or when I'm just hanging out. And yeah, this is it. I got a new plant, as you can see. I thought it would be nice to put some more like green in my apartment, especially when it's summer and hot. I don't know, it just makes me much more happy, and apparently the air gets also much more fresh and purifying. Anyway, let's hop into this makeup look very quickly. This is me bare face. I haven't put anything on yet after my shower this morning. So what I recently learned in a podcast, it was actually a podcast from Delicious Ella, which I absolutely adore. And they were interviewing this dermatologist, and she actually mentioned that you should put your sunscreen on as a top layer and not at the first thing. So obviously kind of opened up my eyes, because I used to always put my sunscreen first and then the rest of my makeup, but for better protection it's better to do all the way around. So this thing I'm kind of obsessed with how it looks. I've never tried it before, but because I want to do like a no makeup, very dewy kind of beach look, I am going to use this Be Glow Aqua Cushion, and I'm just going to show you guys. So you take this little thingy off, you open up this, and it's kind of this squeezy, hold on, and you can kind of, you see, kind of get this like mixture on. And this is if you want to have a refreshed and hydrated skin, and this really makes your skin like, gives this like natural glow and this like dewy look. You can actually apply this like on top of your makeup or after that, but it feels very fresh. It is so hot in New York City right now, it's unbelievable. That's why also I'm here in like in my bikini. This is actually from Summer Swim. I thought it was super, it has this like kind of retro colors and looks super cute. So Guerlain has a lot of like these products with yeah, which is called like Be Glow, and they actually use honey from the bees in the products. So it gives me this like fresh dewy look. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is color 2.5. In the summer, I honestly don't really like to wear foundation. I rather have like a little bit more red cheeks or redness or like spots than like wearing a thick layer of foundation. So just gonna do this and blend in. Then I'm going to brush my brows. And for like a summery look, I really like to have kind of strong, a little bit strong brows. So with this small pencil, I fill them in a little bit. Go. Then I'm going to use this milk haze gel eyebrow brush. This is a tiny little brush. So okay, I think my eyebrows could use like a little bit of darker color, but I don't have that. This works too. There we go. Then I have this Moonstick Charon from Make, and it's kind of like dark a little bit. I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm applying this on my eyelids. I always really like to use like the same color on my eyelids as I put on the rest of my face. And I'm also going to add this a little bit. Contour. Oh my god. Oh, it's so out of my rhythm to not use my sunscreen first. I totally forgot the most important thing of today. My sunscreen. Okay, I'm gonna do that afterwards. It's so weird because it's so like in my system to always start off with sunscreen, but totally forgot it now. So I mentioned in a video earlier that I was looking for the perfect sunscreen and couldn't really find it, and honestly I found the best one for my face. My dermatologist recommended this to me, and this is the Elta MD. This is SPF 46, but it's just the way they made it. It is so perfect for your face because it literally just feels like a super light moisturizer. My face, it doesn't get clogged pores. Always when I use sunscreen, I just like, all my pores are clogged at the end of the day. I just get like these little bumps. It feels super light, and besides that, it also protects like really well. I've been wearing this like every day, and even now you see I put it on and I'm not like completely shiny. So this is absolutely my favorite one. Also adding a little bit on my neck because I don't want that to burn. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Obviously, if you're going to the beach, then I would wear a waterproof, but normally I just hate waterproof because whatever makeup remover I'm using, it just doesn't really come off really well, even though I use like an eye makeup remover. So for now, I'm just going to use this Charlotte Tilbury. It's just like a super easy, it's not too thick, not too thin, and it does give my eyelashes like a nice natural open look. Ta-da! Okay, so something what I saw a makeup artist doing and I thought was super cute. I have sometimes when the sun comes out a little bit naturally some freckles, and I just love freckles, so I don't understand why people cover them up. So I'm going to use this brow pencil, and this has a super tiny little pencil, and I'm just going to make some freckles. So the tip from the makeup artist was that freckles are never like equally spread. Some spots are together. You make some thicker ones, you make some small ones. And what was she saying? I think that over here you always need to do more, because a freckle basically is something from the sun, and over here is where the sun hits your face the most, so that's where you have to make the most freckles. Oh no, maybe it was here. I'm trying to give on the a tip from the makeup artist, and I like forget it myself. That's stupid. So, and then I'm just dapping a little bit to make it a little bit more like natural. I just love freckles. I think it's just so cute. Okay, then for some highlighter, because I want to have this like dewy skin, I'm going to use these Bare Minerals Pear Blow Gold. This highlighter, I need to shake it well. Okay, so I'm adding it on my hand. Ooh, very liquidy. Okay, so I wanted to use as less powder as possible, but I'm just going to use a little bit of this Garland Terracotta because it has these like gorgeous colors, and just gives everything like a nice bronze, a healthy glow we're calling it. Okay, so now I'm chatting, so it takes quite a long time, but obviously this will go super quickly, so I can like some shine here. There we go. And then for my lips, I don't want to do anything with the color, so I got this Tarte Tinging, and it's like a plumping lip serum. So again, very liquid, and this is just gonna give my lips extra plump. So it looks, I only wear some lip gloss, but it just makes my lips look naturally big full. Ooh, lip gloss is actually very tinglish. Probably that's why my lips will be plumped in a couple of minutes. So, and my natural bronzy, no makeup look is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this no makeup, beachy, summery makeup look. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me for all beauty, travel, food videos. And yeah, I really cannot wait to go on my summer trips again and share all of those with you guys. Have a good day, and I will see you guys in my next video.